Forget everything you think you know about workouts. This isn't a workout plan. This is a protocol. A 30-day mission to forge the person you are meant to be.
Take a look. This is the person you are right now.
And this is the person you could be.
So what's standing in the way? What's the one thing that separates them?
30 days. That's it. That's the entire mission. So welcome to your mission. And listen, you don't need a gym, you don't need any special equipment. The only tool you're going to need is your own body. And believe me, it is way more powerful than you realize.
Look, anyone can work hard. This isn't about that. This is about working smart. It's time to go over the intel, the actual science behind why this is so damn intense.
The whole secret boils down to one concept: time under tension. We're not counting reps here. No, it's all about how long, how many seconds you can keep that muscle under constant strain. That is the real key to growth. So you can forget the old way of thinking. Spending hours in the gym lifting heavy weights. This protocol is different. We're talking about seconds of pure, unfiltered focus. It is hyper-efficient, and it's everything you need to get the job done.
So how does it actually work? It's a simple cycle. First, you challenge the muscle. Push it to its absolute limit. This creates tiny micro tears in the fibers. Then your body gets to work repairing them. But here's the kicker. It builds them back even stronger. That burn you're gonna feel, that's not pain, that's progress.
All right, enough talk. It's time to step into the arena. This is the 5-minute gauntlet. Your orders are simple: execute, endure, evolve. Trial number 1, the diamond press. Let's see what you've got.
Okay, listen up. We're targeting the triceps. Form a diamond with your hands. Keep those elbows glued to your body and control the entire movement. No sloppy reps. Form is everything.
You've got 50 seconds on the clock. Go! Hey, listen to me right now. That little voice in your head telling you to quit, it's lying to you. Fatigue is a liar. Push through it.
All right, shake it off. Next up, trial 2, the stabilizer. This one is all about your foundation, your core.
We're hitting the arms and the core. Get into a high plank position. Now, tap your opposite shoulder. But here is the most crucial part. Your hips cannot move at all. Keep them perfectly still. No rocking. 50 seconds. Execute. Quick check-in. Are you still with me, or did you let go? Come on, dig deep. Welcome to Trial 3, the endurance burn. This is where we find out who really wants it.
Okay, target is shoulders. Arms go straight out to your sides. Now, small, controlled circles. After 25 seconds, you're gonna reverse direction. Yeah, you're gonna feel this one. Embrace that burn.
50 seconds. Begin. Keep that fire burning. We're moving on to Trial 4, the isolator. It's time to zero in on those triceps. Targeting triceps again. Find a sturdy chair, the edge of your bed, whatever works. Now lower yourself down by bending your elbows straight back, and then explode back up using only your arm strength. No cheating with momentum. 50 seconds. Push. Remember this. That feeling, that scream in your muscles right now, that's not pain. That's weakness leaving the body. This is it. The final trial, the final push. Leave everything you have right here. Empty the tank. We're hitting arms and shoulders. Stand about arm's length from a wall. Lean in, bending your elbows, and push yourself back out. Want to make it harder? Just step your feet back a little further. Simple as that. Final 50 seconds. Go all out, now. And time. It's over. You made it. You survived the gauntlet. But let me tell you something. The real reward isn't just finishing. It's about who you become in the process.
Because this mission, it was never just about building bigger arms. It's about building discipline, that raw grit to show up every single day, no matter what. It forges real, unshakable confidence, the kind you can only get by looking a challenge in the eye and refusing to back down.
The protocol has been delivered. The intel is now yours. Your mission begins now. Good luck.